This is a real invention which iPLON has done. It's basically a simulation hardware and software of a complete solar power plant. This solar power plant has basically two functions. The first function is we prepare, make changes in the software, test it out here very well before we deploy it at the customer site. We all know that changes are the most continuous operation that always happens in a solar plant. There's always a need for putting new type of sensors, new type of equipment, and these managing changes is a key issue. iPLON has developed this power plant simulator for this managing changes in the solar plants. This is done in the way that the complete hardware and software is available here. We simulate the inverters, we simulate the energy meters, we simulate this I/O points, and also the complete system here. So when we make software changes, we deploy it here in this simulator, and only when it's checked well and everything is functional, then we deploy it on site. This has the advantage for the customer that the changes take place at a shorter time and in a very robust and quality assured manner, so that the downtimes of the plants are reduced. The second big advantage is it happens very often in the field. I mean, that's the reality. In spite of all the monitoring systems which are available, things happen which is very difficult to reconstruct. So we have the possibility that if a customer tells us what happened on the field and we try to simulate the same scenario here in the simulator and see if the same problem occurred which the monitoring system has given us information. So this way we can at a later stage try to define the scenario under which some malconditions happened to be able to diagnostic exactly where the problem came from. So just to show you what are the components that flow into the system, we have a complete SCADA system that is connected with a GPRS internet connection with the power supply. It has all the data loggers built into it, running simulating software. We have the possibility to switch on and off the power supply of each data logger just to see how the behavior of the system is during malconditions. These are all the inputs and outputs simulating the environmental sensors. This is the communication system for energy meters, like from company Larsen and Toubro. These are most of the components which are using in India. And this is also software that simulates the Power One Sharp inverters. So the whole system is basically a PowerPoint simulator which helps to check and test system applications, and it helps to diagnostic well when problems occur on field.